Here's how to assemble this handheld radio right here. Really nice radio, works well. And you've got mainly 4 different pieces right here. One of the 4 is optional. So obviously this is the radio part of it right here. This is your battery, which you're going to pop onto the back of it right here. And these little knobs right here, you wanna slip that right into those little slots on each side. Just like that. And make sure that it sits flush all the way across. And then you want to come right here to the bottom and there's this little hook. Just push that forward and press it firmly until it snaps into place like that. And now you've got your battery on your unit. So it'll power up, spin the knob, that turns it off and on. And then next, probably gonna wanna throw your antenna on there. That's what this is for. It's got threading right inside of there. So really easy to install. Just spin it on. And there's a look at the walkie-talkie. You don't need to over tighten it, but make sure that it's tied on there. So there's a look at what it looks like. You can see it next to my face. It's just a small, definitely handheld, hand-sized device right here. And then lastly, this is the optional one. You have this little clip. And it has this little groove right here on the back. It helps if you press this down a little bit to just kind of raise it and flatten it, and then put it down through that slot, and then just make sure you go until you hear the click. Now you've got a clip on the back, so you can clip it to a pocket, a belt, a bag, whatever you might want to clip it to. So you don't have to have it holding in your hand. You don't have to be holding it in your hand, but you still have quick and easy access to it. So that's how to assemble these radios right here.